What's good? It's your boy Nostalgia New World Order, Young Fine 99XX, whatever you know me as. Lately, I know we've been doing a lot of the denims. You know, we've been doing a lot of the jeans. We gotta mix it up, bro. You can't walk out there with your nips showing, so we gotta make some shirts. And I saw these distressed shirts on TikTok, and I'm like, I love distressing stuff. Why have I not tried distressing the shirt? Like, I guess, you know, I just figured the weight's kind of gonna be uneven. Like, you kind of have to think about the weight of the fabric you're sewing together to make sure nothing comes out wonky. So I always thought the balance would be off, but it's like, man, I can work around that, bro. I'm really him. So I got 2 shirts today. We're gonna mess with some textures. Let's get into it right now. So these are my 2 shirts right here. You know, I got the Gildan XL, just a regular t-shirt. And then this one right here, I got the, I don't know, it's a lady shirt. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it got like sequins. I don't know if you can see them. They kind of sparkle. So I figured, you know, that'd be a cool texture to have peeking out from the bottom of the Gildan. Both black. This one's kind of washed out black. I'm not really noticing that till now, so it might be a little dusty. But it don't matter, man. I'm just here cooking up, bro. Let's get into it. I'm just gonna basically back the fabric on this one with this, and then after that, we're just gonna cut slits around, maybe give it a little crop. I gotta try it on. But yeah, let's do that.
All right, trying on the shirt right here. And no, y'all can't see the goodies, bro. Definitely need a little crop. So let's go ahead and do that. Lay that boy flat, see where I want it, mark them. Then I go ahead and get a real line all the way across. And you just snip, snip, snip. I like a little high-low, but you know, cut it however you want. Then I went ahead and took it to the serger. And then I sewed it up, but I sewed it up reverse so the serge shows.
Now that we're prepped up and we got this hem on here, I think the game plan is to cut these out into small pieces and then sew them onto the inside of here. And then afterwards, we'll cut out the spots and, you know, sew it on and then distress what I want to, or not distress, repair the parts I want to repair on it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these slithers on the back of these shirts.
All right, man, nothing too crazy. I'm just cutting out these squares big enough to sew them onto the shirt and, you know, distress like 1 or 2 holes in them. Once I get them to the sewing machine, I basically attach the backing fabric to the shirt by sewing holes that I'm gonna cut on the other side.
All right, so I actually just tried this puppy on. It's looking crazy. I'm actually about to wrap it up for today as well. The only thing I want to end the day with, oh my God, bro, I just sounded like I was going through it. The only thing I want to end the day with, I want to layer up some of, do some of these cuts with just the t-shirt that I cut off from the crop, as well as do like some that are. All right, just tried this boy on. It is fitting crazy, and I'm actually about to wrap it up. I just wanted to make a few holes that's backed with the piece that I cut off from the crop, and I also want to do a few with the sweater, then the crop behind it. Then I can cut the shirt, then cut the sweater, and then it still be backed, but it's just layers upon layers. You see how I'm rocking. So let's do that. Let's cut some of those out. All right, y'all, look, day 2 on the distress shirt, hopefully the last day. I ain't gonna do too much talking, bro. I really loving how far we got yesterday, loving how it's looking. So let's get back into it. Let's go ahead and finish him out.
All right, man, at this point, I'm really just hitting it anywhere that feels too empty because I kind of wanted to feel distressed all over without doing too much. And low-key, this is just a practice one, bro. I'm gonna have to revisit this one ASAP, and I'm gonna probably just end up sewing the whole shirt from scratch because I didn't like having to deal with all the seams that were already sewn up and whatnot. Yeah, like I said, I'm just hitting it all the spots that feel empty, and then my phone cuts out on me right about here.
All right, man, for some reason my phone went out the last clip I was recording, but I finished up the distress, and now I just want to throw some eyelets in it to add some vibes and to low-key make the video a little longer because this video finna be mad short. But yeah, so I'm gonna throw some eyelets right here on some Rick Owens vibes right here under the collar, just 2, and then I'm gonna call it after that. I'm gonna call it, so I'll catch y'all on the reveal.
So I threw my little Ricky O rings in, and boom, that boy low-key stunting on him. Like I said, man, I wanted a distressed all over look. You see the little accents on my chest. Ugh. You can see the sparkles low key poking out through the holes. I had fun with this one. Even though, I wouldn't wear this shirt every single day. Like, it was a banger. I would pop out in it sometimes. And it gave me a nice headspace for my next one. For the crazy one that I'm about to cook up for y'all. And no, this isn't how I feel about 1,000 subscribers. No, this isn't my 1,000 sub video. But y'all going crazy. And I definitely got y'all the next week for that. Yeah, I remember the past, because that's who made you the person you are today. And once again, man, thank y'all for 1,000 subs. Y'all is insane for that, man. I'm trying to let these folks know. Make sure y'all tune in next week for the 1,000 sub video. It's gonna be an insane one. Can't even think of any adjectives, bro. Crazy, insane. It's gonna be stupid. Just tune back in.